welcome to day 7 of the 12 Days of Christmas YouTube Hop, hosted by RosaKelly Scrapbooking. And don't forget to visit Debbie Adams Creative Life. So I wanted to mention that I am going to be doing Christmas at the farm. And what I'm going to be using today is, I will mention that the file that I used the other day for the wreath by Jamie and Jen, I'm going to be using that wreath, okay? Not the door this time, just the wreath. And also, I created a file in Cricut that I will share with you as well. There, I believe I can create a link or something for you, but I'm going to put that in the description box down below. I also used the KSCRAFT Jolly Sentiment that came in this holly and berry die set. That is a shaker die, or you don't have to make a shaker die. That's up to you. And I also used Yijuan, which is a new design team that I'm working with. I used their Warm Winter Wishes little stamp set, okay? And it does actually come with the die set too, but I did not use it for this particular card because I was using that on the inside. I also used the Lindy Stamp Gang's Glory of Seas Gold, the Bells of Ireland Green, My Mojito Green, as well as Cement Green, and these are all the Starburst collection, which I absolutely love. And whoops, sorry, this guy's getting away from me, but anyway, let me show you what I use. Oh, I also used some little red styrofoam balls from a slime kit, okay? So here is what we have. I love how this turned out. So we have our Jen and Jamie wreath that I added the little berries on. I also have the Sentiment Jolly. And then on the inside, we have the Warm Winter Wishes. So I think that this totally met the farm challenge because it has the buffalo check. That's probably about it, but anyway, I do like buffalo check, and I think that the combination with the red and green is so pretty. And well, the white, red, green, white, and black, I love, love, love this color combination. This would also look really pretty during the summertime with yellow and gold. So anyway, guys, stay tuned for the tutorial. That's next. Oh, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to enter a chance to win from any one of us, guys. You could even win twice. All right. Okay, so to get started on our tutorial, you're going to need a sheet of paper, and I'm using red. You can get this at Hobby Lobby or also Michael's. This is going to be 7.5 inches by 7.5 inches. 7.5 by 7.5, okay? And then on one of the ends, okay, so whichever one you're going to do, you're going to score it at 3¼ inch, okay? And I already have mine pre-scored because I created it on Cricut, okay? If you would like that Cricut file, I'm going to put a link down below for you to use that if you would like. So also, for the inside portion of the card, I'm using a sheet of paper that's white. This one is 3 5/8 by 7 3/8, okay? And so that will just be nestled right in there. And then I did the same measurements again using my buffalo check. So this should match our Christmas at the farm, okay? So let me show you what else I did. So remember the other day I did that door card with the wreath on it by Jamie and Jen.com. Okay, and I'll have that link down below again in case you missed that one. But I went ahead and put the wreaths back into Cricut, and what I did was individually I enlarged 2 of them, okay? So, and I kind of made different sizes. So the first one, I did just a smidge over 3.5, okay? I don't know why it's showing a smidge over that, but I did actually measure it at 3.5, so that's kind of bizarre. So the next one I did at 3 inches, okay? And then I did 2 at the same size. This one is 3 3/4, okay? And then my last one, I did 2 of those, right? And then my last one, this is just so I can have a super layered one. I don't know if I'm going to use all of them. I might remove one of these out, right? And then this one is 2 3/8. No. Yeah, 2 3/8. Okay, so that way we have a large arrangement of these, okay? And so now I'm going to put the rest of this in a process video. I just want to let you know the paint sprays that I'm going to be using are by Lindy Stamp Gang Starburst. All right, they're all Starburst. This one is My Mojito Green. This one is Bells of Ireland Green. Also, we have Glory of the Seas Gold. And we have Sea Mint Green, okay? So I'm not sure if I'm going to use all these colors, but I'm thinking, you know, I might incorporate a lot of these together. So I'm just going to get out an old box that I use from a package that I got, and I'm going to go ahead and spray these. And then we'll be right back showing the finish. I want to let you know that I used all the 4 colors and I really love how they have turned out so far. What I am going to do is go ahead and flip them over, because once I curl them up, I don't want that white side showing, okay? Because I think that'll kind of look unfinished. So I'm going to go ahead, flip these over and spray it again, and then hit it with my dryer again, and then I'll be back. The heat gun, because once you start using it, it does actually curl up some of these leaves, but I want to add a little more curve in here, so I'm going to use my Paper Blossoms Flower Shaper, okay? And I'm also going to be using some clay tools, okay? You can also use the cake tools as well. So if you look on Amazon, you can find the cake tools as well. They work just the same. So I'm going to go ahead and I start off with my smaller one to work in these leaves right here. And I just take it at the end and work my way in. And then I just go around in the circle. So I have my first one. And I'm just going to continue on. In fact, I'm probably going to use a bigger one for this one. There we go. So now all the pieces are starting to form that wreath. I'm just going to continue on with these. I'm just going to do this really quickly. So this is a fun and easy card that you can do fairly quickly. And it's probably better to do a bunch of them all at once. Now remember, I don't know if I'm using all of these, but I went ahead and painted it anyway, and whatever I have left over I can use on my next card. I'm just going to wipe off that glitter right there, and then I'll be back. Okay, so now all I have to do is put the card together. Now I will say it is up to you whether or not you want to layer it a lot. Remember, your leaves are going to be popping up a little bit, so you might want not to, or you might not want to use foam on the additional layers, but I'm going to see how I like it, and then I'll go from there. Hey guys, I really love how this turned out. I just wanted to mention again, I did use these little red styrofoam balls in a previous project, and I did state that they do kind of leave a, I'm sorry, I got glue in my hands, leave a little red stain. So just be careful if you're going to be mailing this. I probably wouldn't use the red ones. Again, before I said that I don't have the tiny white ones. I have larger size ones, but not the small white ones. Anyway, next time I will probably use those. But since I'm handing this one in person, I'm not too concerned with it staining anything because it's not going to be in an envelope, okay? I just love the little jolly here. And again, we have warm winter wishes on the inside. And I might color these guys in, but I'm kind of liking the little black and white theme that I've got going on here with a pop of red and green. I hope you all love this project. Don't forget to visit Rosa and Debbie. I'm sure you already visited both channels, but anyway, I just wanted to mention that. Just remember, all the links will be down below in the description box. And I will see you all tomorrow with day 8. I can't believe we're just flying by. It is almost Christmas time, guys. So hopefully you all are getting all your cards and everything ready to go. And I hope that this does give some inspiration for you. All right, guys, see you tomorrow.